Hello my friend and welcome back to my home. Today is a new Urge to Purge and let me tell you, we are getting it all done today. We're going to be starting off here in our primary bedroom, getting the sheets washed and putting some fresh ones on. We're going to be doing a ton of cleaning today as well as decluttering and organizing in my bedroom closet, our main bathroom, and what I always like to call foreign territory as it is rarely shown online, that is my kids' playroom. We are doing a little makeover down there and getting the Lego situation under control. If you know, you know. So if you're in need of some motivation, girl, you are in the right place. Today's pace is very upbeat and is bound to get you up and cleaning or decluttering with me. So go ahead, put me up on whatever device and let's get cleaning and decluttering together. I still love these super affordable Amazon sheets. We've had them for months now and they are holding up very well. Furthermore, they are so soft, cozy, warm, and super affordable. I'll be sure to link them down below along with the organizers that I keep all of our extras in. They're perfect for organizing your extra bedding, sheets, and pillowcases. That's what I use them for. Or you can even store them in your linen closet. Our duvet insert is also from Amazon, and our duvet cover was a little bit more of a splurge, and it is from Brook Linen. Highly recommend all of these, as well as the knit throw blanket that I will be throwing on as well. It is a must and one of my top sellers, super affordable and from Target. Now that the bed is all made, I feel like I can finally start to tackle my silent to-do list, and that starts here with our primary bedroom closet. Now, don't be fooled. This video was actually filmed over the course of like 3 or 4 different days. I do not always have 3 hours in a day to declutter my whole house, so we are breaking it up into different days and sprinkling in those decluttering sessions whenever I can. Day 1 is my master bedroom closet. I frequently go through and declutter random areas of our home as needed, so this is not like a ruthless declutter, but more so a maintenance declutter. I am tossing every piece of clothing that is stained, torn, or damaged in some way and decluttering a few pieces as well that I just don't wear anymore. Since losing a lot of weight, truthfully, majority of my clothes do not fit me. But I started a new carnivore lifestyle and I'm working out almost every single day, so I'm not quite ready to like do a complete overhaul of my wardrobe and get all brand new. So I've been slowly adding in pieces as I find ones that I like, as it doesn't make sense to go buy all new when I'm still losing weight and toning up. Next, I'm going through my husband's clothes. Don't worry, I have his permission and never get rid of anything without him knowing. Same thing, tossing anything that is stained, torn, and ripped. And honestly, that was the extent of his declutter today, as again, he wasn't home on this day and I wasn't sure what he wanted to keep and or get rid of, but if it was up to me, half of these clothes would be donated as he just doesn't wear it all. But that's okay. We have the space for it, so it's really not that big of a deal to store it in our closet. One of my favorite hacks that helped me when I first started my decluttering journey is known as the hanger hack. I didn't do it today, but what you do is you turn all of your hangers backwards, and as you wear your clothes, you put the hangers back in correctly. After a season, you'll easily know what you wear and what you don't. Moving into our primary bathroom, we had so much trash in the shower that was just starting to pile up, so I tossed an empty shampoo bottle and a ton of disposable razors. We're going to clean this bathtub and get it sparkling, as I do like to clean as I'm decluttering now, and then we will move into decluttering the drawers. With that being said, I wanted to let you know, wherever you are in your decluttering journey, if you need additional motivation, I will link 2 different playlists down below in the description. One is my messy to minimal playlist. This one is for you if you are new to your decluttering journey and you need that like huge before and after transformation. That is where I took 9 months and ruthlessly decluttered my whole house. And then I have my Urge to Purge series, which I launched last year and will be continuing throughout this year, which is for those of you that are more so just maintenance decluttering your house, as fun fact, decluttering is not a one and done thing. It is an ongoing journey, and it is something that you have to maintain and keep up with in order to keep the clutter at bay.
Ready for this?
Another thing on my silent to-do list has been to clean this mirror. It has gotten so bad, oh my goodness. I am using all non-toxic cleaning products, of course. I'll be sure to link all of my favorites down below. Some of the products I use are from the direct sales company Enyo. So if you are interested, you will have to find a local rep, but truthfully, I'm getting away from them. I've found way less expensive alternatives that work great, if not better, for almost every single Enyo product in my home. And I am a professional cleaner, so y'all can trust me on that one. I am just using my Enyo until they're no longer usable, which is about 3 years. However, I have been loving the brand Force of Nature here in my bathroom. No, this is not sponsored. I just truly love their cleaner for in their bathroom, and all of my clients love it as well. It is a non-toxic disinfectant, sanitizer, and cleaner. So especially right now during stick season, I love using it on high touch point areas. And it, again, like it does clean just as good, if not better, than my Enyo bathroom products. So I highly recommend it. I'll link it down below. Now that the bathroom is deep cleaned, it is time to start decluttering these 2 main drawers. Everything else is extremely minimal, functional, and I really only have what we use in them. So the first drawer we're tackling is my makeup and hair drawer. I knew of a few products that needed to be tossed as they were empty. The first one being my hairspray, as well as my Dime Tinted Wonder Screen in shade number 2. I use this one mixed with the lighter shade in the spring and fall months when I'm starting to kind of like lose my tan but still have some of a tan. And then I use shade number 2 fully in the summer and shade number 1 in the winter. I do have to order a few new essentials like hair products, makeup, and skincare. Let me know if you would like me to share some of those essentials that I keep ordering back like over and over and over again, and I can share that in a future video if you're interested. Again, majority of the stuff I am using, maybe not quite daily, but definitely often. So there was only a few things to toss in this drawer. It mainly just needed to be cleaned. I ended up tossing one of my foundations after about a year, as over time it can lead to bacteria and mold that will contaminate it. And I don't know about you, but I don't want that on my face. So we're getting rid of it. Moving into our toothbrush drawer, the girls got new toothbrushes for Christmas, so I tossed their old dingy ones, gave the drawer a clean, and just organized it a little bit better. I did somehow lose some footage here. I'm not sure what happened, but it felt really good to clean, declutter, and reorganize these 2 drawers. If you're wondering where I got those beautiful drawer organizers, they're from the good old dollar store. You don't gotta spend a lot of money, girl. Just go to the dollar store. It's fine. All right, again, I'm not sure what really happened to the footage, so we are moving into phase 1 of the playroom makeover, which I am so excited about. I mean, look at it. While it does look completely trashed because, well, it is, this is the worst our playroom ever gets. However, it is really easy to tidy up, which I am thankful for simplifying and decluttering in here. For that reason, it takes us like 20 minutes max, as everything has a home. My problem is the home isn't really aesthetically pleasing. So I've been wanting to add a better storage and more organizational system that is aesthetic for quite some time. And the other challenge that we face down here is all of the Lego. So here is our solution. Like always, I'm starting off with my handy dandy trash bag, going through the room, tossing out all of the trash. Once that is complete, I am removing everything so that I can clean it and start with a fresh slate. I did do a lot of decluttering off camera. As you can see from that trash bag, that was from my office and their playroom alone, which unfortunately I didn't film. I don't like to film in my office for privacy reasons. There's just a lot of confidential stuff in there and paperwork. So yeah, I simply cannot show that online. With that being said, I always use the same system. It doesn't matter what room I'm doing. I like to break it down into sections to help reduce the feeling of being overwhelmed. And as I'm decluttering, I sort it into 3 different piles: my trash, donate, and keep pile. I talk very in depth about this and my decluttering process in my guide. So if you are interested in that and need help in your decluttering journey, you can grab that down below. Now that I've got my fresh clean slate, I am adding in these super functional toolless storage solutions from Songmics. My husband actually put these together for me while I was at work, but they're super easy to assemble, don't require any tools as the connectors allow the panels to easily snap together, and I love the size of them. They are on the smaller side, which is perfect for our small house and multifunctional space. I mean, you could use this as a bookshelf in a kid's room, as well as in your living room, or like I am here in our playroom. It is such a versatile piece that is both pretty practical and again, super affordable. I'm actually considering adding another one to my office to help better organize what's left in there. They do come with organizers, but I opted to get these ones as they're a little bit more aesthetic, and even though they are the color cloud white, they are more of a beige, which offers that slight contrast. Everything is better organized. We have 2 full of extra Lego pieces for the girls to explore and be creative with, and all the other toys they play with each have their own bin. Everything, again, is super organized, and I know that this is a system that will work at keeping the playroom tidy, even for my 5-year-old. It is so much more easily manageable with this new storage system, so if you are in need of one, I will be sure to link it all down below. I mean, how beautiful is it? I hope that you enjoyed watching today's productive clean, declutter, and organize with me as I got the urge to purge, and hope you subscribe for more home motivational content with a focus on simplicity and intention. We have a lot of fun things happening right now that I cannot wait to share. We will see you next week for a brand new video. Bye!